Welcome to the DJI tutorial series. This video covers site evaluation for DJI O4 Ground Station's two operating modes, Gateway Mode and Relay Mode. In Gateway Mode, DJI O4 Ground Station connects via Ethernet or DJI Cellular Dongle 2 to DJI FlightHub 2, building a low-latency, high-bandwidth remote transmission and control network. Log into DJI FlightHub 2 and enable Signal Map in the map interface. During flight, the system automatically records transmission signal strength along the flight path. Analyze the signal coverage and deploy the station in areas with weak signals. After the flight, DJI FlightHub 2 generates a signal map from the flight data, visually highlighting weak coverage areas. Based on the signal map, areas with weak signals or blind spots are ideal locations for Gateway Mode deployment. Always mount the station at an elevated position free from obstructions to ensure optimal transmission quality. Deployed in Relay Mode, DJI O4 Ground Station provides video transmission relay and RTK positioning services for DJI Dock 3. We recommend using them a Trace 4D series aircraft and remote controller to conduct the site evaluation for DJI O4 Ground Station. Before starting, power on the aircraft and remote controller and complete linking. The pilot must hold the remote controller at the deployment site of the paired Dock 3. The remote controller's height should match the dock's cover height to simulate communication between the dock and the station. Deploy ground station at the highest local point, such as a rooftop, ensuring an unobstructed line of sight to the aircraft's target operating area. The site should be within a 1 kilometer straight line distance from the dock. In the remote controller settings, select Relay Site Evaluation. Tap New. Enter the site name and tap Next. Use the remote controller to fly the aircraft to the planned relay site and hover. Tap Start Check and wait for the evaluation to finish. You can then view the signal status of the current site. For optimal relay performance, we recommend choosing a site rated good. If the site is rated average or poor, it will impact transmission quality, firmware updates, and log export efficiency. Tap the back arrow to view the signal status of evaluated sites. Tap a record to view the site's specific location and coordinates. You can evaluate multiple potential sites and select the best one. Once the deployment site is confirmed, the pilot should ideally travel to the site to conduct a test flight over the dock's operating area to verify the transmission relay performance. If the site is on a transmission tower or other hard-to-reach locations, you can use the Trace 4D series aircraft's airborne relay feature. Hover one aircraft at the planned site while flying another into the operating area to verify the transmission relay performance. After the evaluation, return and land the aircraft. You can now deploy O4 Ground Station at the optimal evaluated site. Thanks for watching.